Well, it is day 2 of the RSS BJP Coordination Committee meeting in the national capital, and sources say that BJP Chief Amit Shah has written a letter to 18 committees of the BJP asking them to stay in constant touch with the media. Aditi is reporting on this. Aditi, what we've understood is that in yesterday's meeting, RSS had a clear point of view as to how the BJP leadership and its top union ministers need to engage with the media. And now we understand that the BJP chief has written to the top BJP leaders.
Absolutely. What we are understanding at this point of time is that party president Amit Shah has written an almost 12-page letter to around 18 committees of the BJP, where he has categorically mentioned as to how each and every article which is coming out in the media should be documented. Also specifically saying that any negative publicity that is happening about any schemes related to the government or anything related to the party, that is something that should be noted down by the party men, mentioning that the party workers and the party leaders should now come in close proximity with the media, with the top leaders and top editors, I beg your pardon, of various channels and various newspapers. Clearly at this point of time, the government and the BJP both understand that there is slight negative publicity that is happening at this point of time, whether we talk about the U-turn of the government on the land acquisition bill or the fact that till now they haven't been really able to pass the GST bill. So a lot of negativity coming on the BJP at this point of time, and that is why party president also clearly mentioning that it is high time that the party workers join together in this effort to ensure that the negative publicity is got rid of and there is positive effort that can be shown out in the media. So a 12-page letter written to almost 18 committees of the BJP and the party president has asked them to start work as soon as possible on it.